In today's video, me and my buddy Milo will show you 3 free ways of how you can find trends to design t-shirts for and to get more sales for your print-on-demand business. So the first method that I like to use a lot is the free merch research tool by Merch Informer. There will be a link down below in the description. All you pretty much have to do here to get started is leave everything as it is by default and hit search. Then it's going to bring up just merch by Amazon t-shirts and it's going to show some of the best sellers right now. If you don't see results here, you might have to change your delivery address up here to an American one if you don't live in the US. One more tool that I can recommend here is Productor. That's what's loading at the top right here. That's going to help us also sort these results by BSR. So if we do that, we're going to see the lowest BSRs first. Now you basically want to scroll through these results and look for patterns of similar designs to identify a trending niche. And first of all, what we definitely notice is there's 2 of these shirts right here, which are Stranger Things and we can't sell, obviously. Also, there's a lot of American flags, and that's because July the 4th is around the corner. So this is obviously a big trend right now, which is moving a lot of t-shirts. 4th of July is a big niche. There's many results for it. Let me just try and type it into the search tool actually. 4th of July, paste that in here, and we get 10,000 results. There's probably way more if we remove the minus keywords orca term up there. Yeah, there's a lot more results. So this is a massive niche, and you're going to want to look out for sub niches while you're scrolling through these. And one thing that I noticed, there's this phrase right here: star stripes, reproductive rights. So I've seen it there and in this design as well. And it actually is a bit of a cross niche of 4th of July and women's rights. So this might be a sub niche potential for July the 4th or, well, for women's rights. So let's just type that phrase into the tool as well to see if this is a valuable trend. I mean, it's trending definitely. It's got an 8,000 BSR there and 10,000 right here. But let's see how many results we get back for that. And there's only 134. And even if we delete minus keywords right there, it's 193 results for that. So very low results. This might be a pretty new thing. And if we look at the date first available on some of these shirts, they were all posted extremely recently. That definitely seems to be a very new trend right there, cross-niching these 2 topics. Another thing that you could do on this page right here on Amazon is you could use the free Productor extension. Once again, it will be down below in the description. You can add this to your browser for free and then you get this extra bar up here. You can click Rocket Sellers and then it's going to show you newer shirts that have recently started to trend. And as you can see, these 2 are actually the first ones that show up. And yeah, that's basically a couple of ways you can research trends on here on Amazon. Scroll through, see until you notice patterns of similar designs selling, and then type that main phrase of the t-shirt back into the merch research tab. Search for it and see if there's low results and well-selling t-shirts. If there's thousands and thousands of results, then yeah, it might be a trend, but you might need to try and sub-niche further to attack a smaller audience with less search results. So moving on, the next website we're going to use to find trends is TeePublic. This is another print-on-demand site that is very good, very easy to upload to, and has some good sales potential. And if we click into the search bar here at the top, you actually see trending searches suggested. So TeePublic is showing us what people are looking for right now. And a lot of these have to do with women's rights, abortion rights. Basically what you can do here is just click on one, then wait for it to search TeePublic for results, and then scroll through these and see what types of designs are selling, maybe if there's a potential for you to enter this niche. And all the way at the bottom you see how many pages there are. This is quite important because the maximum you'll see here is 50. So if there is 50 pages for this design, then that typically means there's a lot of people already in this niche, on TeePublic at least. What you want to try and find is a niche that has less than 50 pages. So let's try Roe v. Wade. Scroll all the way to the bottom and this one only has 30 pages. So this is maybe a bit underserved on TeePublic if it's trending right now. If you can come up with a creative and good design that stands out on this front page, maybe you have got some potential here to enter this trend. Obviously, this doesn't just count for TeePublic itself. These topics, if they're trending on here, are most likely also trending on Amazon right now. So do type these in if you don't sell on TeePublic or you don't care about TeePublic. Do type these phrases into the tool I showed you before, Merch Research, and see how many results you get back from Amazon. This one, once again, 50 pages, but it might be very underserved on Amazon, so do definitely try that out as well. But yeah, definitely do try this method out. It's a very easy and effective way to find niches quickly with TeePublic. So next up, we've got a very cool website called Redbubble Popular Tags, and this is a very cool free tool that you can use to identify Redbubble trends. And once again, if something's trending on Redbubble, then it's also very likely that it's trending somewhere else too, like Amazon, TeePublic, Etsy, wherever you might be selling. The way this tool works is you have different columns that first of all show you popularity. So it's showing the 10,000 most popular tags on Redbubble. For example, the most searched for thing right now is hydro stickers. That literally never changes. I don't know why, but hydro stickers always seems to be at 1 when I check this. And the next column shows us the popularity delta, meaning the change in popularity in comparison to the past week, because this tool updates weekly, so it'll just show you the difference compared to the week before. This has got 0. It's not changed to last week. It was already in the first place then. Whereas this search term right here on number 4 spot has gone up 12 places. So it's a bit more popular than last week. And then you also get the results column, which shows you how many results you get back from Redbubble if you type in each search term. So hydro stickers is massive. It's got 200,000 results. The way I like to look for trends right here is not necessarily just scrolling through while it's ordered by popularity, because I find that you get a lot of very, very big niches like this one or this one right here, anime stickers, funny t-shirts. And what you also get a lot on the most popular spots is shows like Stranger Things. What else have we got? Hellfire Club, that's Stranger Things related. We've got Star Wars. I'm sure I saw Top Gun up here. So if you're looking like that, it's very hard to find niches that are not trademarked and very, very small in terms of results. So what I like to do instead is click popularity delta twice, so it shows you the search terms that have gained the most popularity over the past week. So like Happy Father's Day has jumped up a lot because it was just Father's Day recently, but that trend is over now, so it's probably going to go down again next week. However, if we look at this search term, for example, it's quite high in popularity. It's seen a massive jump and the results are very low, at least for Redbubble. Anything around 1,000 or less is extremely low for Redbubble search results. This one is All American Nurse. So if we take a look into this, you can just click onto the tag right here and it will open up the Redbubble search. We can see that there's a lot of sort of American flag designs for nurses right here, because it's obviously nearly July the 4th and nurses will want to represent the fact that they are a nurse and wear something patriotic looking for Independence Day. So this is definitely a trending niche on Redbubble right now, and potentially a good sub niche for other marketplaces as well, at least for July the 4th. Might not sell extremely well all year round, but it's definitely a trend right now. Another one would be dog eating pizza. That's for some reason jumped a lot in popularity and it's only got 700 results. So once again, that's a good potential one. Yeah, basically just scroll through this. You can flick through the pages or change the entries right here to 100 as well, and you don't need to change page so often. But just scroll through and look for a low results rating and a low popularity rating at the same time. And then you just have to make sure next that the actual search term isn't something that's trademarked or, a celebrity, that sort of stuff, because there is a lot of designs on Redbubble that are infringing on trademarks or intellectual property. So definitely look out for that. So one more thing to note here is if you use these tools on a daily basis, sometimes you'll find some really cool brand new trends that you can't wait to enter, and other days you just won't be able to find anything. That's just how it goes. Sometimes you've got a lot of low phases where there's not much trending, and other times it's like literally a new trend every single day. So do stick to it, do it every day, and I'm sure you'll find some good trends eventually. And in case you missed it, I actually released a free graphics bundle that's perfect for t-shirt design and for print-on-demand beginners. So if you want to learn more about that, do check out this video right here. We'll talk you through which graphics you get and how to download them for free.